Alright, I have some chicken wings here, and this is what I'm going to use to season the chicken wings. So, I have salt, paprika, black pepper, thyme, a little bit of cayenne pepper, rosemary leaves, and some oregano. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 spoon of salt, some rosemary, hold on. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm gonna put some little bit of spice. Okay, that's enough. Thyme. Good. Some oregano. Some paprika. I don't know if there's any left in here, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I think that is good. Gonna right here. And some black pepper. All, and now we're gonna mix it together.